she may be. But here's the real larger problem to pull up. Whether or not she gets removed or not, that's up to President Trump's discretion. But for Maxine Waters and the Democratic Party to put any political capital on the table to defend basically wrongdoing at this point, fraud in your federal documents, and then invoking the 25th